If I is equals to 1001 and E is equals to 0100, then show that AI plus B whole cube is equals to A cube I plus 3A square B E, where I is a unit matrix of order 2. Okay, so here in this problem, so what is given here? Okay, so I is given. I is 1001. This is a unit matrix. It is a unit matrix and E is equals to 0100. Okay. So what he is asking AI plus B. So first find the value of AI plus B. So A into I matrix plus B into E matrix. So A into I matrix is 1001, 1001 plus B into E matrix 0100. Okay, now multiply inside with the, okay, so coefficient A into 1 A into 0 0, A into 0 0, A into 1 A plus B into 0 0, B 1 is a B, B into 0, B into 0, so zeros only. Now add the corresponding elements. A plus 0, that is A, 0 plus B, that is B, 0 plus 0 is 0, A plus 0 is A. Okay, so this is the value of AI plus B. Now we want whole cube. We want to get the cube. First find the value of AI plus B whole square. Whole square is nothing but AI plus B into AI plus B. Okay, so with the same matrix we are going to multiply again. So that is AB0A multiplying with AB0A. Okay. So now how do we multiply? So we multiply the rows of the first matrix with the columns of the second matrix. With the columns of the second matrix. Okay. So here A into A, so A into A plus B into 0 plus B into 0, A into B, A into B plus first row with first column, first row with second column. Okay, A into B plus B into A. And now take the second row. Now we are taking second row with first column, second row with second column. Okay, so now second row with first column. 0 into A, 0 into A plus A into 0. 0 into B plus A into A. Okay. So now A into A is equals to, what is A into A? A square. B into 0, 0. AB plus AB. Okay. So this is 0 and 0 here. 0 into B also 0 only. 0 into 0, 0 into B. Wait. Here, second row. Yes. 0 into B. 0 only. Plus A into A square. So now write the simplified form. So that is A square. AB plus AB, that is 2AB and 0. Next A square. Okay. Now find the LHS, that is whole cube. Now we are going to find the LHS. Take the LHS. LHS is equals to AI plus B whole cube. How to get the cube? Okay, so square multiply. So already we have the value. Okay, so that is AI plus B whole square into AI plus B matrix. So multiply these two matrices. Okay, so now AI plus B whole square value is A square, 2AB, 0 and A square. Multiply with the AI plus B. So just now we got, so that is 0, A B, 0 and A. Okay, so how do we multiply? Again the same thing, first row with first column and a second column. First row with first column and a second column. So this is equals to A square into A. Okay, so plus 2AB into 0. A square into B, A square into B plus 2AB into A. Now take the second row. Again second row with first column, second row with second column. Okay, 0 into A plus A square into 0. 0 into B, 0 into B plus A square into A square into A. Okay, so now this is equals to A square into A, that is A power 3 plus 0. A square B, 2A square B. A square B plus 2 into A square B. So first one 0, second one is 0, and here it is 0, and A square into A is A cube. So finally we are getting A cube and 2A square B and A square B 3A square B. This is 0, and A cube plus 0 is A cube. So this is the LHS part. Now we want the RHS part. So once check the RHS part. So RHS is equal to RHS. What is RHS? A cube I plus 3A square B, 3A square B into E, right? So what we do? A cube matrix multiplying with I. So what is I? So 1 0 0 1. Okay, plus 3A square B into E. What is E? 0 1 0 0. Multiply inside. This is equals to A cube going to 1 A cube into 0, A cube into 0, A cube into 1 is A cube only. Okay, plus 3A square B into 0, 3A square B into 1, that is 3A square B. So into 0 anyhow 0 only. Now just add them together. So this is equal to A cube plus 0. Corresponding elements I am adding. 0 plus 3A square B, that is 3A square B only. 0 plus 0 is 0. A cube plus 0 is A cube. Once check the LHS part and RHS part. Okay, are they equal?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so they are equal. They are equal. Okay, so that's why what we can write? Therefore
LHS is equals to R.
LHS equals to RHS. Hence, AI plus B whole cube is equals to A cube I plus 3A square B into E. So this is the required answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Okay, very good. Okay, so we'll go to next question. Okay, so here, what is given here? So if theta minus phi is equals to pi by 2, then show that cos square theta, cos theta sine theta, cos theta sine theta, sine square theta into cos square phi, cos phi sine phi, cos phi sine phi, sine square theta is equals to 0. Okay, so whatever it is given, so here write the given data. So theta minus phi is equals to pi by 2. What is theta from here? Pi by 2 plus phi. Okay, minus pi if you take it to that side, plus pi. So now from this, convert the theta into phi or pi into theta. Okay, so here I am converting the theta into pi. So here I am finding the value of sine theta and cos theta. Sine theta, applying sine on both sides. Sine theta is equals to sine of pi by 2 plus phi. Sine of pi by 2 plus phi. Okay, so now this is equals to sine 90 plus theta. When we have 90, when we get 90, so we get cos, okay, and 90 plus theta. Which quadrant? 90 plus theta, second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive. So we get it positive. So cos phi plus cos phi we get. Okay. If you apply cos on both sides, cos theta is equals to, for what we are applying, where we are applying. Okay. For this, we are applying this. Okay. So both sides, I am applying the cos. Cos theta is equals to cos of pi by 2 plus phi. So when we have pi by 2, cos replaced with the sine function, sine pi 90 plus theta. When it is 90 plus theta, this second quadrant, in second quadrant, cos is negative. So we get minus. Now take LHS. Okay. So now I am taking the LHS. So LHS is equals to cos square theta, cos theta sine theta. Okay. So cos theta sine theta, sine square theta, sine square theta into cos square pi, cos pi sine pi. Okay. So next cos pi sine pi, sine square pi, sine square pi. Okay. So now theta replace here. Replace the theta. Okay. So now this is equals to first matrix. In the first matrix, I am replacing all the terms. Okay. Sin theta replaced with cos phi, cos theta replaced with minus sin phi, like that. Okay. So cos theta minus sin phi whole square, minus sin phi whole square. When we square, minus becomes plus and we get sin square phi. Okay. So and cos phi replacing with minus sin phi, cos phi replacing with minus sin phi, sin pi replaced with cos phi, and cos phi is minus sin phi, and sin phi is cos phi, sin theta is cos phi, and sin square theta is nothing but cos square phi, cos square phi. So theta replaced with phi. Okay, so with phi in the first matrix. What about the second matrix? Second matrix is as usual. Okay, so that is cos square phi and cos phi sin phi. Okay, and cos phi sin phi sin square phi, sin square phi. Now multiply. How do we multiply? Okay, so first matrix rows we multiply with the second matrix columns. First column and the second column. Okay, so if you multiply here, so then sin square phi into cos square, sin square phi into cos square phi. Okay, next second element is the second element, minus sin phi into sin phi, sin square, cos phi into cos phi, cos square. Okay, so minus sin square phi, cos square phi. Now first matrix with first row with second column, sin square phi into sin cube into cos phi, sin cube phi and cos phi. Second element with second element, sin cos sin square, sin into sin square, sin cube, minus into plus minus sin cube phi into cos phi. Now take the second row with first column, minus sin phi into cos square, that is cos cube phi, Okay, plus cos square into cos cube into sin phi, cos cube phi into sin phi. Okay, minus into plus minus, sin into sin square phi. Okay, and cos into cos square phi. Okay, plus cos square phi into sin square phi, cos square phi into sin square phi. Okay, so once observe this, both are same, positive negative cancel, so all the terms get cancelled. So finally we are getting 0, which is equals to RHS. Is it equal to RHS? Yes. Okay,
Yes, sir.
hence proved. And so the required answer is proved. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is given here? So give examples of two square matrices A and B of the same order for which AB is equals to 0, but BA not equal to 0. Is it visible? BA not equal to 0. Okay.
Sir.
So here, so what is given? First write the given data. So given that AB is equals to 0, but BA is not equal to 0. So I am taking, let A is equals to A0, B0, okay, and B is equals to 0, 0, CD, 0, 0, CD. Okay, so now, so try to multiply A and B. We can take any elements in place of A, B, and C. Any numbers or any variables or constants. Okay, I'm multiplying AB, so that is A0 and B0, multiplying with 0, 0, C and D. How do we multiply? Okay, so row we are multiplying with the column. First row with first column, first row with second column. Okay, so now here this is equals to A into 0 plus 0 into C, 0 into C, A into 0 plus 0 into D. Okay, now take the second row. Okay, if you take the second row, B into 0 plus 0 into C, B into 0 plus 0 into D, 0 into D. So A into 0 is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Okay, here 0 and 0 into C 0, 0 into B 0, 0 into D also 0. All are zeros. So that is nothing but all zeros means it is a null map. It is a null map. So here AB is 0. Here AB is 0. Now find the BA. Okay. So if you find the BA is nothing but first write the B matrix, that is 0, 0, C and D. Okay. And A, second write the A matrix, that is A0 and B0. A0 and B0. Now how do we multiply? Again, rows we multiply with the column. Okay. So here first matrix rows with the second matrix columns, first column and the second column. Okay, the same thing here, 0 into A plus 0 into B. Okay, first row with second column 0 into 0, 0 into 0. Okay, so now take the second row with again first column, second column, C into A plus D into B, C into 0 plus D into 0. Okay. Now this is equals to 0 into something is always 0. Here 0, C into A, CA or AC, B into D, BD, and this is 0, this is 0. So finally, so this is all the terms are approximately 0 except one element, that is CA plus BD. So here, is it equal to 0? No, this is not equal to null matrix. This is not equal to null matrix. So we took the two square matrices A and B, so that AB is 0 but B is not 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, okay, so therefore A is equals to A0, B0. Okay, so and B is equals to 0, CD are the required matrices so that AB is equals to 0 and BA not equal to 0, not equal to 0.